Good morning, kiddos. Today is Tuesday, April 7th, and it is Superhero Day. So I have my cape on. Hocus pocus, what's our focus? I can add a pair of two-digit numbers when the ones digits have a sum greater than 10 using decomposition. Decomposition is when you pull apart two things. So it's very similar to number bond because you have your whole and then you're pulling apart your two parts. Julio read 6 books this week and Emmy read 12 books this week. The first question says, how many fewer books did Julio read than Emmy? Well, we know that Emmy read 12 books and Julio read 6 books. So using your number chart, fist bumps, drawing pictures, mental math, solve that one for me. "12 minus 6 equals 6. Some of you might have already known that from our daily double. You might have already remembered that 6 plus 6 equals 12. So this was just a flip-flop. This was a related subtraction sentence. So to answer our first question, Julio read 6 fewer books than Emmy. Next question, how many books did they read in all? So now when we're doing in all, they want to know how many all together. So we're going to add them together. Again, fist bumps, number chart, drawing pictures. Go ahead and solve that one for me. "18 was the answer. So to respond to the second question, they read 18 books in all. And the last question, how many more books does Julio have to read so that he has read one more book than Emmy? Ooh, this is a major challenge question. So we know that Julio has read 6 less books than Emmy. We want Julio to read enough books that he has read one more than Emmy. So we know that he is 6 books behind, but we want him to have one more book. 6 plus 1 is 7. So Julio needs to read 7 more books to have one more than Emmy.
To 100 or what? Yeah! But we have to hurry, because I have to meet my grandma. No problem. We're skip counting, starting with 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Let's go higher, higher, higher. Let's go higher, higher, higher. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Let's go higher, higher, higher. counting by twos. Yeah, now it's time to count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Let's count higher, higher, higher. Let's count higher, higher, higher. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Let's count higher, higher, higher. Let's count higher, higher, higher. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Let's count higher, higher, higher. Let's count higher, higher, higher. Whoa, counting by fives is cool. Yeah! Let's kick it up a notch and count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's count higher, higher, higher. Let's count higher, higher, higher. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's count higher, higher, higher. Let's count higher, higher, higher. We did it! We counted to 100! Yeah! And just in time. Grandma!
All right, make 10 addition. So we're decomposing here. 9 plus 5. Let me just make sure here on time. I think these are just warm-ups. They are. So I'm going to review one of them, and then I'm going to skip ahead. And if you want to do the rest of the activities, you can use the student paste code. Capiche? All right, so make 10 addition. They want you to decompose to make 10. So 5, you're decomposing the smallest one. You know from prior knowledge that 1 more to 9 makes 10. So that's what they have here. And then they add the lonely 4 to make 14. So on this one, okay, I lied. I'm going to do this one with you. On this one, you have 8. Well, you know that you need 2 more to make 10. So I need to take 2 away from my 5. So if I take 2 away from my 5, I have 3. So 3 and 2 make 5. So 8 and 2 is what I'm going to make 10 out of. And then I can't forget my lonely 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13. This one is all you. 7 plus 5. All right, kiddos, today and tomorrow even, we are going to be still focusing on double digit. I believe on your Shobi, it just says solve and show your work. So, I'm going to leave it up to you. You can do number bonds, so decomposing like we did yesterday in our lesson. You can do 10 frames. You can do quick 10s and 1s. You can do fist bumps at home. You can use your number chart at home. Whatever strategy you want to use for today. For the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and skip these. If you need more help, let me know, and we can set up an individual Zoom, and I can teach the lesson to you individually. But this is really just the same thing that we did yesterday, except today it wants you to choose your strategy. Alright, so that's why I skipped all of those. For reading today, though, since I do have time, for reading today, I want you to do your Unit 8 Week 1 foldables, and I only want you to do the first 2 activities. Okay, so that means you're going to write your spelling words, And then on the inside of your packet, you're going to write a sentence for 3 of the spelling words. And then I want you to stop. And I want you to put this foldable away for tomorrow. Okay? And we're going to do sight word song, and then we'll be all done for today. Maybe. If it will load. Today's going to be a beautiful day again. And so I hope you get to go out and be a superhero in your neighborhood. That's one thing I have on your lessons. You can't see it on here, but for miscellaneous, I say walk around your neighborhood in your superhero costume and snap some pictures saving something. Could be saving a rock, could be saving a tree, could be saving a kitty, could be saving your little brother or sister. But snap some pictures, make it funny, make it silly, and send them my way. This is not wanting to load, so let's try it again. Refresh. Oh, rats, that's why. Whew, my allergies. Bless me. My allergies coming in hot.
F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R, that spells number 4. F-O-U-R, that spells number 4. Number 4, number 4, get the mop and shine the floor. F-O-U-R, that spells number 4. F-O-U-R, that spells number 4. F-O-U-R, that spells number 4. Number 4, number 4, get the mop and shine the floor. F-O-U-R, that spells number 4. 4.
Okay. Well, that was fun. That's all for today, kiddos. Can't wait to see your superhero pictures and see what you saved today. Bye.